Greetings from Olympic National Park. Let's start out by taking in a deep breath. And a big, even bigger exhale. And feel the weight of your body. What if I told you that just 20 minutes a day spent in nature in a connective way, a mindful way, whatever makes sense for you in your life, just 20 minutes a day is enough to make lasting changes in your life. And today, walking on this trail, I couldn't help but feel the magic of the land and all the ways that feel bright and magical. And so this experience today is going to be all about magical pathways. And whatever that means for you and whatever way makes sense for you, I invite you to join me today for this experience around magical pathways. This could be magical pathways forward if you're facing decisions and you're not quite sure which way to go. This could be magical pathways of opening yourself up to new ideas, innovation. It could be pathways towards healing. It could be pathways in your life toward finding calm and peace and pushing away fear and doubt. Whatever the pathway might be for you today, I invite you to join me for the next 20 minutes. Feel the weight of your body. Take in a deep breath. A big exhale. And prepare to engage in whatever magical pathway means for you. You know, the concept of magic is meant to be playful for you because really magic exists in daily life if we allow it to. In whatever way makes sense for you, whatever way feels playful. Take in a deep breath and a big exhale. And in order to open up to magical pathways, sometimes it takes a little bit of stretching, a little bit of exercise to retrain our bodies. Because as kids, we probably played quite a bit. We probably believed in magic. We probably believed in maybe Santa Claus or the Easter Bunny. And somehow that got lost over the years. It's the same thing about our wonder and our awe about the magic of the natural world and nature's intelligence. And so it may take a little bit of practice to get there, to that place of wonder and that place of awe that is in your heart, that lives in your heart, it lives in your spirit and your gut, and it is part of your thoughts, your creative ideation. We're going to practice this today, and that involves looking down, looking up, looking to the right, looking to the left, and reflecting on, what do I notice? The first position, the first place we're going to look is really important. It's about grounding. We are going to pay attention to our footing. So take a deep breath, breathe in, feel the weight of your body, and open up to what's beneath your feet. Open up to the magic of the forest floor. Now, there are lots of ways that moss can be symbols for our lives, and I love moss. I love the carpeted floor of the forest. And today, I invite you to work with the aspect of moss concealing the entry to your magical world. And if you look at the way that it's so thick, and in this case, moss is beautiful, but it could also be too thick. As we work with moss in this next section, consider the areas of your life that might be a little thick, that might be a little too tight, that could prevent you from opening up to the magic in your life. Connect with the moss in that way. You may even feel empowered to ask the moss, where are you concealing the doorway to my magical world that I want? And open up to the possibilities, open up to the answers that you have within you. You have the answers within you, and nature is here to help you open up and maybe even wake up to those answers. Now, before we move to the next section, imagine that you have the power to put your hands in the moss and open up to create your own magical portal, let's say. As you take a deep breath and you feel the weight of your body, imagine what that might mean for your daily life. Where can you maybe spread the moss so that you can get through? What are some things you can open up? You can loosen the tension. How might that work for you? And if you don't know the answer to that, that's okay. These are just questions. They're questions to ponder. They're questions to take to nature. So you might even take your question to the moss and sit with that concept of where in my life could I allow a little bit more room? Could I spread away the moss to find my magic? Big breath in and big exhale. Another important part of the forest, a component that's key to the forest, is the presence of trees. And I'm in this rich, deep place with lots of different varieties of trees, mostly cedar, Sitka spruce, and Douglas fir, my friends. So as you take a deep breath in and you feel the weight of your body and you do a big exhale, ask the trees for wisdom. Ask the trees for passage into the magic that exists within you. Another important component of understanding your magic is opening up to all the layers within you, the complexity between your thoughts and your mind and your creativity and your heart, your feelings, your emotions, your gut instinct, your intuition. All of these are layers of your life. They're layers of your personality. I invite you to look at all of your magical layers within your inner self and reflect on the parts of you that are key to opening up the magical pathways within you. The last section today reminds us to look left and right, both directions almost at eye level, to better understand the full picture of the opportunities for magical pathways. I invite you to sit with the concept of branches, because branches are that aspect of going outward, left and right, and watch the branches. And see if you can connect to them. See if the branches can reflect on the pathway for you to your magical journey. And whatever magical journey means for you, whatever makes sense for you in your life, follow the direction of the branches. See where they lead. Ask yourself, where might those branches lead within me? Take a big deep breath in, big exhale. Feel the weight of your body and follow those branches. This forest is magical, and I'm thankful that you were able to join me today for this nature connection experience in the splendor of Olympic National Park near Lake Quinault. Please remember that just 20 minutes a day spent in nature, doing something like this, opening up to the magical parts of your personality, of your life, doing things that connect and make sense for you, 20 minutes a day or 2 hours a week, or the best that you can do, is enough to make lasting changes in your life. Today was meant to be playful, because nature is playful, because we are all playful people. We all have magic within us. It's just a matter of keeping it alive. Waking up to the awe and the wonder of nature is the same, or can be similar to waking up to the awe and wonder and splendor of you, of your wild nature. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you down the road.